Welcome to the Sample Music Festival, AVoIPoE Roadshow. This is Frankfurt Prolight Sound Show 2023. Hello everyone, my name's Siya. I'm a technology consultant and Broadtek is my consultancy. Today, I'm here to talk about a movement that we've coined AVoIPoE. Now, AVoIPoE, it's a tongue twister of an acronym, and it merges two types of technology. The first is AV-over-IP, which is audio-visual over Internet Protocol, and that's a method of transport and distribution of audio, video, and control over a network. And PoE stands for Power over Ethernet, which transfers power and data from one point to another over one cable. Now, the interesting thing of why that's important is because the International Energy Agency estimates that energy is responsible for about 80% of the world's carbon emissions. Tackling this waste and reducing the amount of energy that factories, households, buildings, and entire economies use in the first place is a big and relatively easy way to reduce our impact on the climate. AV-over-IPoE systems are designed to be a lot easier to design. They improve functionality and add flexibility. These systems use less energy, take less time to install and maintain, and most of all, it saves money. Obviously, everyone wants to be able to save a lot of money with their projects. So it's proven and safe technology which requires no specialist skill to install. And that's why I'm advocating. So there's no qualified electricians required, no sign-offs, and it's relatively inexpensive to deploy. So the strength of AV-over-IPoE design thinking comes from collaboration. As a consultant, our clients are often end users. So we work alongside system integrators, and our discussions are always centered around the complete end-to-end solution, never just one part of the solution. But as a manufacturer, for example, audio equipment, they mainly talk about the audio aspect of a project. And let's say the display manufacturer, they discuss the aspect in terms of display. And it's rare to find complementary sets of partners. Our showcase demonstrates multi-vendor integrated systems. Ultimately, we believe that everybody benefits when different vendors' products seamlessly just work together. Because knowing solutions work out of the box breeds confidence. Now, this type of thinking provides an opportunity to move away from proprietary walled garden approach. Oftentimes, we believe that walled garden approach really can stifle innovation. So, I want to go into a bit more detail about the benefits. An AV-over-IPoE system enables you to save energy, reduce and manage power usage and energy consumption. These systems protect equipment from electrical overloads, underpowering, or incorrect installation. AV-over-IPoE's power comes from central and universally compatible source rather than a collection of adapters. And if anyone has ever set up any type of systems, they know that the first thing to go is the adapters. They're relatively unreliable. Now, AV-over-IPoE can be backed up by an uninterruptible power supply. And you can quickly disable or reset devices. So that makes the installation and distribution of network connections simple and effective. So you save time, so there's less waiting around for electricians to finish on a job or building inspector to sign off on it. And you're saving money on the materials because there's less dedicated hardware, fewer cables to run, and you're cutting energy bills and reducing the carbon footprint. There's a lot more flexibility. So the use of the space, like this kind of space that we've got today, it really enables you because it's not fixed by a PowerPoint location. Wherever there's an access to a network, the system could go with it. And there's a lot more efficiency. So for example, you can integrate AV over IPoE systems in smart technology. So those technologies support devices that might monitor space usage, environmental conditions, and provide security. It's a lot more adaptable and scalable. Installations become both simpler and quicker. That's a great way of streamlining the day-to-day operations of any type of facility. So essentially, AV over IPoE is a movement which encourages collaboration between vendors so that they can certify one another's products. So whether you're a manufacturer of cables, video manufacturer, audio manufacturer, by working together with other vendors, you can provide a complete end-to-end solution as opposed to just talking about one part of the solution. And that leads on to a lot more collaboration. Ultimately, what we're doing is giving confidence to the end user, to the systems integrators, because from a systems integration point of view, a lot of their time and resources are spent on trying to test their system to see whether or not that system, everything works within. So if you're able to give that confidence in the first instance by certifying one another's products from a vendor's perspective, you're giving confidence to the end user as well as the system integrator, and you're saving time. And this time, of course, means money. And the bigger issue is sustainability. Sustainability now, we have to think about the cost of ownership. Cost of ownership of any technology or any system today is a lot more important than it's ever been. So with that, I'd like to thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed the time here in the Performance and Production Center at Sample Music Festival. And thanks a lot for everyone that's watching on AV over IPoE and my LinkedIn page. Thank you.